Hi, I'm making this video on time and work on a special request by my student. So, in this video of time and work, I'll explain you the concept of unit time and unit work, and also will take you through some solved examples so that you're clear how to apply that concept while solving the questions. So, let's look here. If A can do a piece of work in 20 days, then how much work he does in 1 day? Now there is something as a unit work. A unit work is unit means one. So one work is always considered as the complete work which you are doing. And then there is something as a unit time. Unit time is either 1 minute or 1 hour or 1 day and so on. So whenever we are solving the time and work question, we have to surely figure out the work done in unit time. That's very important. You have to figure out the work done in unit time, and it's very easy to figure that out. Let us look at this question. Now, A can do a piece of work in 20 days, means A can do one complete work in how many days? 20 days. Now, what do we need to find out here? Work done in a unit time. And what is our unit? Unit is a day. So, in 1 day, how much work will A do? So, in 1 day, the work done by A will be equal to 1 by 20th fraction of the work. Complete work is one work. So 1 by 20th of the work A will do in 1 day. Now, whenever we have to find the work done in unit time, it's very easy. Whatever is the total time given to complete one work, you just reciprocate that and you get the amount of work that's done in a unit time. So, how much work he does in 1 day? He does 1 by 20th of the work. So, I hope this much is clear. Now let us go to the next example. If A can do a work in 3 days, B can do the same work in 6 days, and C can do the same work in 7 days. Now they have started working together. So how many days will they take to complete the work? Please remember that the work which A is doing, B is doing, C is doing, or all three of them are doing together, it is the same work which they are doing. So as explained in the previous question, let the total work be one unit work, one work. So A can do one complete work in how many days? In 3 days. Now I have told you that we will have to find the work done in a unit time. Correct? And what is the unit here? Day. So the work done by A in 1 day will be how much? And I have told you to reciprocate this. So you do 1 by 3. Similarly, B can do the same work, one work, in 6 days. You can do these only when they are doing the same work. So B can do in a unit time the work that is 1/6 of the work. A is doing 1/3 of the work in 1 day, and C can do one complete work in 7 days. So in 1 day, how much C can work? C can work 1 by 7th of the work. Is that clear? Now, when they give the question that two people have started working together, or A, B, and C are working together, you have to find out that when they are working for a unit time, how much work they can do together. So, what is our unit time? Our unit time is 1 day. Okay, so in 1 day, when A, B, and C work together, so A, B, and C's 1 day work will be how much? A is doing 1/3 of the work, B is doing 1/6 of the work, and C is doing 1 by 7 of the work. If we add all of their 1 day work, we will get the amount of work which they'll do in 1 day. We will get the amount of work which they'll do in 1 day when they work together. So we will take the LCM. LCM is 42. 3 14s are 42, 6 7s are 42, and 7 6s are 42. And when I simplify it, I get 27. I'm sorry. 14 plus 13 over 42, which gives you a 27 over 42, which on simplification gives 9 over 14. So this means that in 1 day, all three of them together finishes 9 by 14 of the work. So how many days will they take to complete one work? So to complete one work, again you reciprocate. So to complete one work, you again reciprocate the work done in a unit time. Reciprocal of 9 by 14 is 14 by 9 days. And what is 14 by 9 days? It is 1 5 by 9 days. One last example. P and Q can do a piece of work in 12 days. So P plus Q together, one work, complete work, 12 days. So if we have to find out the work done by P and Q together in one day, that's the unit time, then it will be reciprocal of 12. Similarly, Q plus R finishes one work. Q and R can do the same work in 16 days. So the work done by Q and R in a unit time or 1 day is 1 by 16. And R and P can do the work in 24 days. So R plus P can finish one work in 24 days. So the unit work done in a unit time by R and P together will be reciprocal of 1 by 24, reciprocal of 24, which is 1 by 24 of the work. Now what happens if they start working together? So together, if P plus Q, Q plus R and R plus P together they work, then if we add all of them, we'll get P plus Q plus R plus R plus P. When these three combinations are working together, then in 1 day they'll do 1 by 12 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2. Correct? So this is 2P plus 2Q plus 2R, and that is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 24. So when we try to add them, LCM is 48, 12 4s are, 16 3s are, and 24 2s are. We get 9 over 48, which is 3 over 16. This means that when 2 P's and 2 Q's and 2 R's work together, they can finish the work in 3 by 6. In 1 day, they can do 3 by 16 of the work. So when P, Q and R work together, 1P, 1Q and 1R, we can take 2 common. This is 3 by 16 of the work, and this is the work done in 1 day. So 1P, 1Q and 1R working together, 1 day's work will be 3 by 16 into 1 by 2, which is 3 by 32 of the work. And how much time will they take to finish complete work? To complete the work, they will take the time. Complete the work is one complete work. How do we find it? We reciprocate this. Okay. So to complete the work, they will take 32 by 3 days, the reciprocal of 3 by 32, which gives you 10 2 by 3 days. Okay. So I hope this question is clear, and you can also see that when P, Q and R are working together, then the amount of time taken to finish the work is lesser than what every combination is taking. P and Q takes 12 days, which is more than 10 days. Q and R takes 16 days, which is also more than 10 days. And R and P takes 24 days, which is also more than 10 days, which all three of them takes when they work together, 10 2 by 3 days. So I hope the concept of time and work is clear to everyone. How do we figure out the unit time and how do we figure out the unit time taken to do the unit work? If you have any doubts, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. This is my YouTube channel Mathacademy. If you have liked my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.